I have nothing to say, seeing all these doctors, senior doctors, who is quite busy and still came to this conference. And I have nothing to say more than thank you all for coming here for this CME organized by Yashoda Hospital. All the while, our endeavor is to develop technology and experienced doctors. That is what we have made. These two wheels in a cart which will make us to grow and help the society. And I am sure our Vishnu has told that the amount of investments what we have made in technology, and we are going to do it still much more. And recently we have done a lung transplant. I am sure everybody is aware of it. And this next 2 years, we are planning to make Yashoda Hospital for a center for cardiac and as well as lung transplant center. Next 2 years will be our focus only in that line. That is what I would like to tell you. Having said so, because I am 63, I am considered as a senior citizen, I'll have few words about our profession itself. Initially 90s, probably 2000, then 2005, 2010, I am seeing a lot of change in the profession. There is nothing wrong in hard work, but we are only living to work. Is it correct? I request all of you to understand and try to come to a conclusion, because recently I called one of my consultant's wife. Madam, where is this doctor? I want to meet him. साहब, हमारा को क्या मालूम है, वो यशोदा हॉस्पिटल में रहता और खाना पीने के लिए घर को आता. This is the answer that lady has given. Please understand, many of your spouses also will be saying the same thing. Are we missing the better part of our life? That is family life. I'm sure I also worked hard. I have realized, and probably I made a lot of mistakes, and it is not correct on my part if I tell you in front of all of you, that we have to take care of not only the society, not only the patients, but also our family life. Please do so. This is one point I would like to stress. And second thing is, most of us are everyday on call. Is it any way, the way US is organized themselves, like a group practice? If you can do it, probably majority of the pressure will come down, and probably a systematic system can avail in the private practice. That is another request I have. And regarding our chief guest, I have few points to tell. Generally, most of us in the younger days, we are God-fearing people. Parents will say, they will be angry if you don't pray, something like that. Then we will pray. Then slowly, we will become something like, you pray the God that give me this, I will give you this. Quid pro type. So most of us also will say, okay, I pray for this, passing exam or passing, probably take care of my children, give me this property, this, and I will come walking to the Tirupati, or I will give you ₹1,00,000. That is how we make our mindsets for the God. So from fearing, slowly we will become a give and take. Next generation, what we have seen in now, God is essential. I don't know whether God is there or not. I should not be saying this in front of Swamiji, but God is essential for our daily life, for peace of mind. Majority of our problems, we say Bhagavantudu unnadante, a lot of problems are solved, we'll have peace of mind. God is essential for society. That is what I feel in about God. Then next, I'll speak few words about Swamiji. Don't misunderstand Swamiji. I cannot tell a lie. I never knew much about Swamiji till I met Rameshwara Garu. He took me to a place where he has a huge tract of land. He said, I am building ashramam here. I said, Swamijis will come and build up a ashram, and then they will pray, and then, most of the sannyasas will do it. Of late, after 2 years or 3 years I went there, there is a blind school and college developed there. There is a big temple developed there. I am aghast. Then slowly, of course, these two people, I call them as Krishna, Arjuna. I don't know who is Krishna, who is Arjuna. I am sure Krishna is there and Arjuna here. They have developed different colleges for Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda. There are a lot of students who are reading this. Sanatana Dharmam, it doesn't survive unless somebody helps it. And another thing I have seen in Swamiji is not only religious preacher, he is also practitioner. I have seen many of SC, ST candidates mixed with Brahmanical students in studying the Sanatana Dharma. It is something great, Swamiji. We have never seen that anywhere. Probably we have to cut short this caste system and go into that. Not only this, he has built up a hospital, of course. My home, Rameshwara Garu, is built up with the blessings of Swamiji. He also said, furnish this hospital. We also have a little bit of contribution to there. But, and after that, we are also thinking, why can't we also do something? We did not tell to them. What we have done is, of course, this is done not by myself, but my brother. We have decided, when we lost our parents about 2-3 years back, we said, let us do something for the society. We have given 5% of the shares aside for charity. And we have scouted all the Hyderabad and other places what to do with this money. We have few crores of rupees cited. Then we said we gave some buses donated to the these orphanages. Then I said, we have studied lot of orphanages. We came to a conclusion, they are studying up to intermediate or maybe graduation somebody, then stop. They don't have a job prospects at a later date. Then was a social organization, what we did, we took 4 or 5 top grade, high network executives, gave them quite a good amount of money, vehicles, drivers, and said, network with all HR people in the all different countries. Recently, after 1 year, we could place 500 orphanage children in different organizations. Please understand, let us give them, not give them bread, let them ask them to work. That is what we should be able to doing, because all the senior peoples like you here, probably if we come together, we will definitely do a better job. It gave us immense pleasure. I am not saying this because we have done it. Nobody knows we are. It is not for press or publicity. It gave us immense pleasure. We have learned this from Sri Dr. Rameshwara Garu, my home chairman. And I think probably whatever we are giving to the society, God will bless us with more peace and more health and more these things for us. And I pray, Swamiji, for the peace of this country, we need people like him who are not only preaching, they also practice what they preach. And he also has a lot of service to the societies. They have some tribal schools in Adilabad. It's not joke. Irrespective of whatever money you spend, people going there and working is a very difficult thing. But Swamiji does it. And I am sure in the days together, Rameshwara and Swamiji will do a wonderful job. And చిన్న సమిధలాగా మేము కూడా కొంచెం దానికి సాయం చేస్తామని, మేము కూడా రిటైర్ అయిన తర్వాత ఆ పని చేద్దాం అనేది మా యొక్క ఉద్దేశం. With this I conclude and I thank everybody for coming to this place. Thank you very much.